Hey guys, I was asked to test one of the HRSs with a variable speed control to see how it performed. This is the same one I did in the last video with, this is one of the locked up ones that I freed up, and it runs well, but the bearings are noisy, and they have not gotten quiet after a few days of running. Presumably they could be made quieter with more TLC with oil and WD-40, or of course replacing them would make it silent. But I'm not going to go through all that with these. I'm just going to get them all running, and then if and when I install them, I'll do whatever else needs to be done. I don't want to open the motors. So you can also see I just did dust the bottom of it with white epoxy. So just because the bottoms are pretty scuffed up, and obviously I didn't touch the rest of the fan, and I didn't do a thick coat or anything like that. It was just designed to just make it a little less noticeable, and I think it came out well. So that's that. The variable speed control, it came with the ring fan amp meter, although not really sure if that's going to make any difference to anyone, but it's there. So let's start it out on low, 0.18. I didn't turn the blender fans off because I'm not doing any air tests. I'm just testing it for noise and speed, and not going to make much of a difference to have the blender fan running. And the blender fans do help push the heat down up here, keep it from escaping through the roof, and it is cold. It's, I don't know, I think 40-some degrees right now up here. Okay, let's do a quarter turn to 0.3. So far, it's behaving very well on variable speed control. It's giving me a very slow low speed without stalling out. I'm not getting any noise from it. I mean, granted, this is not a silent space. The blender fans are going, the heaters are going, the furnace downstairs is going, and traffic is pretty noisy. Since this is not an insulated room. But I would notice significant bearing noise, and I'm not getting it. Not bearing, excuse me, variable speed buzz. Some people have called it a Hertz hum, which is interesting to me. I suppose on some level that's correct. Okay, let's go another quarter turn. 0.7. Still damn near silent. I'm not hearing anything from it. I'm not even picking up... Oh, the bearing noise is starting. No variable speed buzz, though. Okay, let's do another quarter turn. Let's see, that would be high, so I'm going to go just a hair under high, because that's where it's usually the loudest. Yeah? Okay, I'm pushing it to high now. I'm not getting any variable speed control noise from it. So that's good news. High, backing it off some. Here's the other good test. I turned it off, by the way. I'm going to slow it down by hand. I'm going to start it on just past high, and if then there won't be any bearing noise right away because it'll have to rev up. So let's see. No, that's silent. That's silent with the variable speed control. So, that's good news if you wanted to hang with these with variable speed control. I probably wouldn't, just because I like to have a nice slow low speed, and even though you can get it with the variable speed control, it's then a lot more sensitive to voltage fluctuations than if you do it with a capacitor. And so if a fan behaves well on a capacitor control, I don't usually do anything else. So I would probably just use these with capacitor-based controls, but variable speed is certainly an option. Again, I was using the, I think it's KB Electronics control. They're all KB Electronics. They make pretty much everything. Doesn't say. That came with the ring fan. So I'll let it finish spinning since I didn't do that previously. You can see, like I said, the bottom is not perfect. There's still some imperfections, but I didn't want to make it perfect because the rest of the fan isn't perfect. If it was perfect, it would really look odd. So I just, like I said, I just dusted it with the white epoxy. I'll try the next one with just regular white spray paint to see if that looks better than the epoxy. The epoxy is thicker and glossier, but also like I said, the bearings perform well, they're just noisy. Thanks for watching.